smash those 10 times if they
50K for first.
No, how them out.
Bro, why I literally look like that? Whoa, flex much? So weird. Actually, it's not. I don't know why I'm acting like it's such a surprise that I'm like ugly. Bro, I almost didn't start filming this because I thought I was so ugly. But I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. I also need to wet my sponges. I have not done that. Do it for me.
You know what?
No.
Don't want to hear
That's
it.
why you're taking them.
Rachel, do you know when the dresses are coming in?
The dresses are coming in. I'm estimating Tuesday. According to my calculations. Oh, I would look like that. I don't even know. Hey guys, what is up? Time to flex on all of you hoes. Today I'm gonna be doing Get Ready With Me, and I'm totally kidding by what I just said because I just look so busted. Mega busted right now. Today I'm doing Get Ready With Me. Really basic video. Just wanted to catch up and talk to you guys. Because I love doing these, even though they're just really not creative in any way, shape, or form. I do these a lot, but it's because I have so much to say about every single thing, and that's so annoying. But I also just really like to talk, and this gives me an excuse to do that. And I think I've done this rant 20 million times, but yeah, I'm doing Get Ready With Me. My classic, what's the word? It's like my staple. Like, Get Ready With Me's are my staple. I don't even really know what a staple is. A staple that you put in paper. Oh, my brows. Yes, ma'ams. I'm actually gonna do it off camera, so I don't know why I'm filming right now. But yeah, I'm doing Get Ready With Me right now. I'm gonna be using some new products, first impressions / Get Ready With Me, because that's what beauty gurus do. And I'm one of those, obviously. Obviously. I wonder if it'll like stand up. Oh my god, low-key. So I've been following P. Louise for like a million years, just kidding, not that long, but I've been like wanting to get it for a long time, and it like finally came in the mail. So I'm gonna be using this today for my eyeshadow. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with myself. I'm not supposed to like set the base when I'm using this. You're supposed to pat, oh, I'm not patting it. Am I supposed to pat it? I think I'm supposed to pat it. So like just pat it in. Couldn't you just like pat with a beauty blender? Okay, I feel like I did this incorrectly. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about random things that nobody cares about. Don't get me wrong, beauty backgrounds are so annoying because I feel like those like suck the personality out of people. Like every time I see like a white background or a glittery background, their personality just deflates and it just is sucked in from that background vortex. I don't know, but like I can see why people use them because everything focuses on the background. It also could be my camera because all those beauty gurus that have those usually have $1 million cameras that focus correctly. Also, I didn't blend any of this, I just patted it in and it's like blended. So I'm kind of confused as to why. What is in this stuff? Are you like allowed to pat this in with your fingers? Like, is that a thing with this or no? Because this is mad annoying. Is this allowed? Did they put like a spell on this or something? What was I saying? I feel like I was saying something, but I feel like everything I say is pointless, so I don't remember what I was saying. But I want an Altoid. Altoid. I don't even freaking know how to freaking say it, but I really want an Altoid right now. I'm gonna get stomach ulcers. Anna told me that they give you stomach ulcers. I don't even care. I don't even know what a stomach ulcer is. Like, what is a stomach ulcer? I should probably look into that because I probably have one growing right now. She is so cute. I want an Altoid. I need to get my teeth whitened. There's also glue on my eyelashes. I literally got it. So school for me ends, I have one more full week and then I have 3 days, 4 days? I think I have 8 days of school left, I think, or 7. I am not sure, I'm not really into checking that at the very moment. Several more days of school. And I'm so excited. I don't think school is the completely worst thing in the world, but it definitely isn't the best. And I feel like I want to leave very soon, and that is gonna happen. So I don't know why I'm saying that point right now, but I'm super excited. But like, I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm trying to say, and I don't know what I'm doing right now at this point in time. I don't even know what eyeshadow I just put on my eyelid. I'm gonna get more videos up because I'm a YouTuber. I'm gonna get more videos up because I want to, and I'm excited for the future. Putting more eyeshadow on, because why not? That's why not? June is literally days away. June is gonna be the best month of my life. Speak it into existence. Haley and Annika are coming here June 11th to the 15th, so we're gonna film a bunch of videos, which is super dope, and it's such a YouTuber thing to do, like collab and film videos. Yes. Yeah, Haley and Annika are coming, and I'm so excited to see them and meet them and hug them, and for them to come over to my house, and we're gonna be super lit, and like, not like literally lit, not like on drugs, but like lit, like, you know what I'm saying. Me, Haley, and Annika are doing a meetup, and I'm looking at myself right now because the blend is so pretty. Sorry about it. No, wait. Annika, Haley, and I. We're having a meetup, and I will put all the information down below. It's also on my Instagram, like the highlight thing, like that's on Instagram now. But it's gonna be on June 13th, 5 through 8 at Wayne Ferguson Park. So if y'all want to fade, you definitely should. It's gonna be super fun. We're gonna have like popsicles and stuff. I'm just so excited for it. I'm just so glad that it's finally happening. I'm also super nervous also. Ready? Okay, I also caught it, so that's why I'm amazing. I'm super excited about that. I just said that, but I am super excited about that. I'm also gonna go ahead and cut my crease with this as well. I'm in a good mood right now, but when I'm in a good mood, I don't make sense. The shimmer, like, is in my crease now. Yes. I don't even care. Sorry, I'm putting on music. I know that's low-key rude, but I need to finish this eyeshadow before I explode. So I finished my eyeshadow and put like lashes and liner on. The liner is super thick, and I don't look good right now. So that's it. I also really have to pee. I've been kind of holding it in this whole entire time. So I love getting bladder infections. Also, I'm using this new primer from Wet n Wild. I've used it once before, and it reminds me of the backlight primer from Becca. Before I die, I want to try that Sisley primer. Like, that's on my bucket list, I think. Not even to just buy it, because I don't think that's necessary. I just want to try it and see how it wears. Everyone always raves about it. They're like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. But it's like $200, right? That really expensive like pink primer thing. I'm gonna really try to get it dewy today. Let's see. Bro. I don't even think I'm gonna upload this video because it's so terrible. Why don't I know how to do things correctly? Dang, I can't even do nothing right, dang. I've been using the Maybelline Matte Fit Me and then the Makeup Forever foundation. You don't have to mix these two together. I only do that because it's too light for me. I just tried to put that there. I am tired. I also have to pee still. You's not enough for me. Whoa, I was focused. Okay, so that was it for this video. The camera kind of got super low on battery, and it still is right now. I see the thing blinking. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm also being like super still right now because I'm scared it's gonna go out of focus. Like, I'm actually terrified, so I'm being really stealthy and still. And there will be more videos soon. In the next 2-ish weeks because school will be out, and I'll have a lot of content to create and a lot of opportunities to create content. So also sorry if like the beginning of this video was good and the ending wasn't, and sorry if this doesn't even go up. Sorry that it might not go up. I'm sorry, okay? Okay. Bye.